Hello students. So today I will try to give you few learning tips with respect to the transport in plant chapter, which will be helpful for your exam, which you're going to write the NEET. See, the questions what they ask you, what is the value of water potential of pure water? Then please remember water potential of pure water is 0 and water potential of turgid cell is also 0. Okay. In these two conditions, water potential is 0. Water potential will be minus in case of solution. So in case of solution, water potential value will be in minus. And it will be plus, value of the water potential will be plus in case of reverse osmosis. In case of reverse osmosis, your value of the water potential will be plus. So please remember where the value of the water potential will be 0 and in which case it will be minus and in which case it will be plus. Clear? Now what is the value of the solute potential? Solute potential in case of the pure solute, its value will be 0. But in case of solution, it will be minus. Clear? In solution, it will be minus. So only two values are there for the solute potential. That is either it will be 0 or it will be minus. It is never plus. Then what is the value of the pressure potential? Value of the pressure potential. For flaccid cell, it is 0. For the flaccid cell, the value is 0. In case of the turgid cell, the value is coming in positive and it is negative for plasmolysed cell. Clear? It is negative for plasmolysed cell. Please remember. So these are the value of the water potential. I just write all this in the mind map. Just try. It will be 0. Clear? In case of this condition, it will be 0. And in case of the solution, it will be in the minus, negative. And in case of reverse osmosis, value will be plus. Now, in case this is a value for the water potential. Clear? Now, let me just give you for the solute potential also. Solute potential. In case of the pure solute, the value will go 0. In case of the solution, the value will go minus. There is no plus here. Please remember, okay, beta? There will be no plus here, okay? Then in case of the pressure potential, first of all, we will not use word for pure here because there is no pressure potential will be in case of the turgid cell. See, I'm writing here where it will be plus, it will be in the turgid cell. The value will be maximum, it will be in the plus. Okay. Then where it will be in the minus, it will be minus in the plasmolysed cell. In the plasmolysed cell, it will be in the minus. And it will be 0 in case of the flaccid cell. The value will go 0. I hope this will help you to learn and you can easily solve the questions. Okay, another relationship, let me explain you. See, beta, we say water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential, isn't it? Now see, what are the symbols we have to remember? Water potential is in minus, solute potential is in minus, and pressure potential is in plus. Now we will convert, these are all potentials, okay, beta? Now we will be converting them into the pressure language. So we will say this is DPD, diffusion pressure deficit, or it is also known as suction pressure. This is osmotic pressure. Check carefully what am I doing here. turgor pressure. Clear? Understood? Now one change I will do, once again check. I will rub here and I will write minus and I will put the plus sign in the bracket. So this is minus. We have to just change the sign. What it is plus there, I will put minus. Where it is minus, we are putting plus. The potentials are in the minus. Check carefully, this is minus, and this is pressures are in the plus. We say water moved from, let us assume this is the water potential value given, -3. And this is your -5. Two cells are there, okay? This is your A cell and this is your B cell. So we always say water moved from high water potential to low water potential. You will say this way because this is your high water potential and this is your low water potential. But in case of the suction pressure, check what we will be writing the language. We'll be converting it into +3 and this will be +5. Arrow will not change, okay, but arrow will not change, arrow will be in this direction only. But our language is changing. Now what we will say? Water is moving from low suction pressure to high suction pressure. Clear, beta? Such types of the questions, if they give in the NEET exam, then my suggestion is we are more comfortable with the potential language. So in your exam, please follow this language. Please remember DPD or suction pressure will be in the positive, osmotic pressure will be in the positive, turgor pressure will be positive, but it will be a minus outside it is given here because you know very well, and we have to change. So please convert all the languages into the potential language and then solve the questions. Don't change the direction. We are more comfortable with this language, so please remember this language. I hope this will help you to solve the questions related to the transport and plant if they ask in the NEET exam. Thanks for watching.